Good morning, everybody. Today we're showing something very interesting, something totally different because we are pretty far. And the area of here it's called Kadungo, which is Tabanan Regency already, which is for so many of you guys may be very interesting place because this is like a Bali used to be few decades ago, like in 1980s, 1990s, with little bit of the accents of the modern Bali, of course, because this is like unavoidable. But in general, we're gonna show you very cool hotspot for the surfers, where like really only warungs and rustic, like long time ago. Nice coffee place where you can find the surfers by hanging out. There's only one actually over here, and beautiful roads and the village, and it's also Galungan time, yes, Sayang. Yeah. So it's a lot of interesting local vibes today on today's videos. This is the Little Ripper Cafe. Basically, I think only one place where you can have a coffee in the morning. So yeah.
Let's see how it is inside.
Let's see. And only a few motorbikes here, few cars and the road, and there's the beach over there. But let's get to the cafe first.
So basically this is how it looks inside, and there are two doggos there. Well, actually this place is a dog friendly cafe. And yeah, it's coffee time, you see? Wow.
Different vibes, different vibes. Totally different.
Different vibes. And they have a boutique as well. Well, they also have something upstairs. I will show you. So Damian is sitting there. This is basically how is the cafe, and then I'm going up to showing you the other wing. So, well, the other spot also, they also have a small library and the toilet. Very nice. All right, so I decided to go up and showing you how it is. Wow, they also have a, I think that guest house or homestay here with a swimming pool. And next door is another development of the, you know that. Well, this is showing you that how is Tabanan growing into more and more concrete jungle, what I can say. So I remember this land used to be the rice paddies, but now check how is the construction site. See, they are waving to you. See, this is how it is, the building construction.
All right, and we have our morning pies, which is hot cappuccinos and the donuts.
Surprisingly, now it's full house.
Actually,
all the tables are taken downstairs and upstairs.
Well, only one coffee shop over here, so nice. All right, so let's have a spin around. That was the place where we had the morning coffee. As you saw, pretty busy, but basically this is the only one or two restaurants here. This is like a local warung only.
Oh, there's villa on the left, babe.
Oh yeah, now they have some villas, but after that you have a still beautiful view of the rice fields. Not much in the background, the chimney still driving there. And yeah, and it's just no traffic, guys. Can you imagine that? Nowadays there is so much concern about the traffic. Here is no traffic still like this, when you can find the road leading to the beach, because the beach is at the front, regular, no traffic, village vibe, peacefully, rice fields. But yeah, land sometime, time to time, somebody gonna build something. But at least right here, right now, it's just very cozy, very green, very village vibe. Not much is going on, but this is actually what some of you, many of you like it and remember Bali, old Bali. This is it. You can still find the places like this one. In Tabanan Regency, of course, not necessarily in Bandung Regency, which Bandung means... Badung, yeah. Bandung is city in Java.
Bandung is in Java.
Yeah. As well as the only, Kuta Legian, Seminyak, Canggu, that's different. Here is still cozy, somebody enjoying morning walk. It's recently 10, 10:15, hello. This is the beach situation. We're gonna go to the beach over there.
All right, so we just arrived in the Kadungo beach. It's actually nowadays becoming the hotspot for the, for the surfers, because you see behind me nowadays, I think a very nice tide, yeah.
I think so. It's the good vibe for the surfers. This is like the Canggu and Uluwatu were looking 50 years ago.
Exactly.
Few people only, few surfers, wave, like maybe 10 people in the ocean. But yeah, this is the Kadungo in general.
Well, basically, if you see from the color of the sand, you know, like black color, it's not that white sand beach like what people are looking for when they are coming to Bali, but this is more into the surfing spot. I think this is probably in the next 10 years, it's gonna be the next Canggu. So exactly behind me, there are so many, warungs with the rustic vibe still. Like, how is the surfer vibe? Selling coconut, selling cold drink, selling snacks. Over there, what I see is that they also selling, like a small, food, nasi goreng, bakso, whatever it is, to chatter. The people just finish surfing, they can eat and drink here. Wow. Let's see later on. Probably, yeah, Hania, in the future, is it still gonna be like this? Or gonna be changed into the beach clubs like the Canggu neighborhood?
Probably will anyway. But this is how it was Bali long time ago, and this is how some people really miss. And as you can see, locals and the foreigners coming here for surfing, the cars with the surfboard, stuff like this one. Still nice spot for surfing and not so touristy one, not so busy. And somebody even enjoying the horse riding on the beach by the morning. So very happy and calm, peaceful life still over here. And as you can see, the background, not too many people, not too many buildings, not much is going on. So this part of Bali, the Kadungo, which is actually Tabanan Regency, this is not Canggu anymore, not Perennial anymore. It's still very kinda local, kinda rustic. Like some people really miss Bali so many decades ago. So still you can find the places like this one, but yeah, this is like 2.5 hours to the airport, but still beautiful.
Just like behind me, you see the more and more people coming here, and I think that more of the school of surfing send the people or send the tourists coming to Kadungo Beach nowadays to enjoy surfing.
Yeah,
wow.
It's actually getting crowded. It's recently 9:45, and seems like people coming from Canggu, from Seminyak, from Kuta to surfing here. Yeah, that's cool. All right, and now there is the one restaurant here and the construction. After beach, you can go to the beach and then you can go here. So they're building some villas, I don't know. I bet they're gonna be villas. Looks like.
This is like I told you. Slowly, the land of the paddy fields are turning to a concrete jungle.
Yeah, slowly. There is the little road, still just the concrete one, not the asphalt one. Crossing little bit, gonna speed up because there's like a little valley going up, and I believe a lot of land here is sold out here, unfortunately, already. The how to recognize the land, is it sold out or not? If there is like leftover like this one on the left, on the right, where is no rice, no nothing, it means it's sold out because the farmer already gave up. They don't plant anything. Here is still. Here is still they doing it, but they are construction workers. And then you have a villa, fancy villa in the middle of nowhere actually. It is here already. Neighbor on the other side is another one actually.
Oh wow!
This one.
They have a swimming pool, honey.
All of them they have a swimming pool. It's standard here. And then you have a still rice field. By the way, this one of this villa was existing already last time when I was here, another one not yet. So this is like a brand new. And then at the front there will be residential area or something. They're building a lot. Remember, maybe some of you remember we were walking here. It was only dirt road, nothing else. And now it's the like, you know, a lot of is changing actually. So most of these lands are sold out. But this is like a small road. Long time ago it wasn't concrete like this one. It was only, look at this one actually. What this is already sold out the plot. They built a nice concrete road. There will be all villas here. Villas or houses, but more likely villas. And also on the other side, everywhere here there are little roads already. That's gonna be only houses or villas.
And you see the electricity pole already built here, which means that will chatter a big amount of electricity, right?
Yeah, the villas, but also the road is so nice here. I mean, it's concrete, one small road through the rice fields. Still beautiful rice fields here, and you know, the coconut trees in the background, but inside they are already small roads. So you see all of this will disappear in the future. In the next few years, there will be only villas and everything like this one. Even this is like a plot land for sale. 3 houses can be. One is already sold. The first one, you have a phone number and a big piece of land. So this is it. This is everything for sale here. Unfortunately or fortunately, but this is it. And then yeah, still you have a lot of rice fields. And also when we were here last time driving a car, we couldn't come here because the road wasn't concrete like this one. It was like a dirt, broken, small road only for motorbikes. Now it is nice road. If you have a car, you could still go here now. And basically we are going into Tanakhlot. So it's gonna be connected like I already predicted many years ago when I came to Bali. As every development will go from Seminyak, at this time Canggu wasn't that busy yet. Canggu, Pererenan, up to Tanakhlot, this is actually is happening. So yeah, it is it. What is it, right? What I'm gonna tell you. Still you can find nice green paddies and stuff, but if they build the electricity, as Winnie mentioned, like this one with the spars and big cables and everything,
The
definitely,
poles, electric poles.
definitely everything will be villas. You see, even here is the very beautiful rice field, and there is little wooden sign. Maybe Sayang can zoom it for you. This is for sale, for rent. Yeah, just in local language. But it is everything. This beautiful rice field is for rent. You can build a house there if you want, of course. So yeah, and I don't know what is at the front of us actually. Looks like I don't know, some plantation of something. To be honest, I don't remember this one last time. So it's interesting. That looks like a plantation of fruit or veg or something. However, this looks like under construction still. Or it's abandoned. Now I'm confused if they are just building or it's abandoned.
They're gonna build something.
I think they're gonna build something. This is like a plantation of tomatoes, like something like they have it in Kadungo, for example. So something is coming, but that's a good place for farming. The road is getting a little bit smaller, and we are like halfway to Tanakhlot. Actually, I think the road is finishing soon, so lucky we're driving a bike right now. But overall, very beautiful area here, guys. You have to agree with me. Very beautiful, especially before the villas came out. But when the villas gonna come out, it's also gonna be beautiful, but they're gonna destroy the natural landscape like we have here, right? That's the only difference. Actually, the road is still okay here. Just today, a little bit like a freestyle vlogging. You know, the area is not that congested like Canggu or Sanur, or I don't know, any other area where it's, you know, you could walk and make a video. Here you have to drive and explore a little bit more. And then there's already a residential area, but the local Balinese houses are here mostly. And now is actually very nice road. Ooh. They make it with the bricks and everything. This is actually a very nice village right now. They have a penjors for Galungan and the temples. All right, so we're gonna go now to Tanakhlot. Before I showed you the area where are so many villas and lands. And now is the time to go to the Tanakhlot itself. It's only 750 meters from here. And the road here is still under the construction actually. It's gonna be wider suitable for the cars in the future. Right now, well, basically you can still fit your car. But
Already one villa here, right?
yeah, they are already villas because you know this is like a tanach lot, so it's strategic location. Oh, and now it's perfect example how the road used to look like here, basically like this one. Well, technically there is no road, there is just the path for the farmers to go to the rice fields, and well, obviously you can go to the tanach lot as well. So this one is only for the motorbikes, like that, but we're gonna show you. Actually, I'm not sure if you're interested, guys, about watching stuff like this one, but this fits perfectly to the concept of today's video, as everything is just still very local, how it used to be long time ago. If you know what I mean. It was like this one. This is like going long time ago for the surfing spots, probably in Canggu. I believe some people must remember that time still. In Uluwatu for sure. Ooh. Sayang, are you copy all right with filming? You scared?
No, it's just challenging.
It's a little bit challenging. All right, guys, so we are actually like 250 meters and still 500 meters go to Tanach Lot. Tanach Lot is somewhere there. But anyways, we are not going to Tanach Lot, to the temple itself, and just wanted to show you the area of Kadungo. Also, the road to going to Tanach Lot is really not recommended. It's actually very hard for us to make a video because we don't feel comfortable holding the camera and everything. I hope so you understand. And after that, it's like this one. It's just the beautiful rice fields here. This is rice fields over here on behind Winnie. You cannot see right now, the land is already sold out. So right now it's very natural, very beautiful. Even the bananas growing there. It's like cool, in general, very cool. However, I understand again, as this is not for everybody, because some people actually like these crowds and the congestions of Canggu or Kuta or something where so much is going on. Here is very natural, as you can see. Basically not much is going on here. So if you're looking for the peaceful, quiet, like I mentioned yesterday, Nusa Dua, without the crowds and the traffic, here is totally no crowds and no traffic, but it's also nothing around, so it's nature. So if you like it, it's cool. If you don't like it, yeah, you have to stick to the city. But this is cool in general. This is something different wanted to show you today, and as always, we'll see you tomorrow on next one. See ya, take care.